Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, once again, I'm in the lab. And of course, you know that means work. Lance is what we're going to talk about today. If you're self employed, if you're starting your own business, well, guess what? A lot of you don't want to start your business because sometimes you think it's too complicated because you're going to need an accountant. You're going to need somebody to keep your books. Well, we have a program, Lance is what it's called, that can help you out, ladies and gentlemen. It's an app, and they will pay your quarterly taxes for you, your self employment taxes. And if you want to pay monthly, they will even do your Schedule C. One is free, one you have to pay for, but either way, you no longer have excuses, no barrier to entry to start your own business, whether it's a freelancer, whether it's a creator, it does not matter, influencer, they're talking to you because you can be a person. You do not have to even have a business EIN. You can use your social security numbers, but we're going to talk about it here, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Foci Optics. Check. Stop struggling now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. And I want to thank you for being here on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page and joining us for another video. So please share the videos because you never know who you can help out. And once again, please smash that like button and notice the join button over here on the right hand side. That's how you can become a member of the channel. And on Wednesday night live streams, everybody can watch, but only members with the icons because they join the channel can be in the chat room, and members can also join us on the live streams. And they receive special messages under the community tab along with 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for members of the channel. So let's get into it. Another way for self-employed persons to get a checking account. Not only is it the checking account, the most important part, because a lot of people want to start business, but then they start thinking, wait, I might have to pay these payroll taxes or taxes for my business, and that means I have to hire an accountant because I don't know anything about accounting. Well, guess what? Another fintech is here to help you out. So now the barriers to entry are getting almost down to nil. Nothing, because with Lance, freelance banking, we're going to get into it, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you're looking for credit, they don't have credit set up yet. But the most important part is they do have your checking account set up. So if you pay yourself, they will take out the money for taxes and pay your taxes directly to the government. That is an option. Also, they can pay your quarterly taxes as well. We're going to look into this. This is going to be awesome. The link is going to be down below. If you want to start a business and you don't want to use your home address, then I suggest you get Opus Virtual Office. The link is down below for $99 per month. If you prepay a year in advance, you get a discount, but it's a tax write-off nonetheless. So as you can see, the new fintech, Lance, revolutionizing freelance banking. And by the way, you as an individual who gets commission because you're self-employed can sign up with this business bank account. And the reason why they're calling it a business bank account is because I'll show you here shortly. You're a freelance. You get a client. You receive money. But look on the left-hand side, right? Main job, freelance, freelance client. And then on the right hand side of the screen, look at this: salary, taxes, savings. It's all separated for you. So no longer do you have to worry about your accounting. That's right. This is very, very major. You can also, I won't even spoil it for you because there's more to this. Notice it keeps saying, giving you all the signs. Lance is an intuitive business bank account designed for freelancers. That's for social media people, the ones who say, hey, you know what? I don't work for anybody else. I'm self-employed. So here you are. Transfer your salary, pay yourself bi-weekly or whenever you want to your personal bank account. And it's tracked up here in your salary. Then they pay taxes. Salaries in green, taxes down here at the bottom can be taken out. That's a beautiful thing. And that's why you see over here, pay your taxes. Lance will automatically calculate, withhold, and pay your quarterly taxes to the IRS. Yep, that's right. Exactly. And now you get to put along with it, besides your taxes, you get to have a savings, which is budget your savings and never miss a deduction. You know why you don't miss a deduction? Because you have a debit credit card. So therefore, you use this debit and credit card. The money's coming out of your business bank account. So therefore, you are not going against the IRS rules. You're acting as a business, as a separate entity. So everything you charge on the card has to be for a business, and therefore it's a deduction, which they help you with. And they use examples: booking a flight, getting a phone, taking the client to lunch. Lance will earmark it for deduction. You see how simple this is now, ladies and gentlemen? This is a little bit different than Divvy. Divvy's a lot more progressive, a lot bigger platform. So some people might not feel comfortable with Divvy, but Divvy does similar, actually the same thing and then some. But with Divvy, you have a line of credit that you can potentially have, because if you're making $10,000 or more with Divvy, and yes, the link is going to be down below for Divvy as well, then you can get lines of credit in and get credit cards. So that is something to think about. And then look at the big names: Barclays, Visa, Blue Ridge Bank, and it's simple. Again, the link is down below. Get paid for your work. That's right. You're a self-employed freelancer. You got your income coming in. You can even send invoices to people, similar to PayPal, similar to Stripe, similar to Cash App. All of that's the same thing. So nobody should be afraid of this. It's just simple. Get taxes out of the way. I can't stress enough how a lot of people now, this changes the game. You don't have to worry about it no more. Paycheck, business expenses, savings, it's all going down, similar to One Finance for the personal side. This works for your business. How beautiful is this? Once again, this is going to be short and sweet because there's not much to it. They do not have a credit component to this at the moment, but that's okay, because this right here helps ordinary citizens, the OCs. And I will say one other thing. Here's the checkout feature. Clients can pay you directly via credit card. Simply create a payment request with Lance Checkout. Share the link with your client and they can pay you right away. How beautiful is this, ladies and gentlemen? And then it separates it for you based on your salary payment schedule, and the taxes are going to be taken out for anything that any salary that you're paid. And then also it's going to take out any deductions that you use for your business credit card. As you now can see on the screen, photographers need cameras, yoga teachers need music, everybody needs a computer. Charge all business expenses to the Lance debit card and we'll ensure your tax deduction. How much is this going to cost you? What if you could enter this for $0? That's right. You heard me, ladies and gentlemen. $0. See on the left-hand side, fee-free salary transfers. You have a virtual debit card, instantly active. Unlimited payments, deposits, and transfers. Free ATM deposits and withdrawals, which again, I would not suggest doing credit debit card withdrawals. I'd rather you write a check, but nonetheless, that's how it works. Government insured FDIC bank account, unlimited accounting reports. Now, if you want to get into other things where they actually send and export your Schedule C, which again, that can be prepared for you. I'm hoping that's what they mean. It could be worth $12 a month and $145 a year to have everything on your Schedule C already done, have your salary and taxes already paid. It could be worth it, and it's a tax write-off if you do pay $11.99 per month, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't this easy and simple for 2022? The world is changing. Technology is here. Everybody can monetize themselves now. So Lance has come along and said, you know what? We're going to fill this niche. So all you got next is open that free account, ladies and gentlemen. What do you have to lose? Especially now where you can do no LLC. You're out here making money. People are paying you. You can open an account with Lance. Think about it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it. And the only other thing I want to add, which I did not even think about, Blue Vine. Once again, I mentioned it, but Blue Vine, no credit check, no check systems. If you have a business, Blue Vine, you need an EIN number. But again, EIN number with your business, and they do have loan products with Blue Vine. So that's it. You can see right here, line of credit to up to $250,000. It's based on your revenue numbers. Invoice factoring is also an option. That means you're in business and you have invoices coming in. You have contracts already signed. Some of you know what I'm referring to. Blue Vine. You're approved. They're a fintech. No credit checks, no qualifying, no check systems. You're in. You do have a debit card. So there's certain different ways you can do this. No monthly NSF fees. Unlimited transactions, and they give you 0.6 interest for balances up to 100,000. That's it. That's all I'm going to talk about. This is not a Blue Vine video. This is a Lance video. There are questions at the bottom, but yes, they're FDIC insured because they're associated with the bank. Only USA citizens can open an account. You can give your accountant access. Will you really pay my taxes? Yes, they will. You can all come to this page and check it out yourself. The link is down below. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here, but things are getting a lot easier if you want to start a business and not have to think about paying your taxes when they have this simple solution. Some of you are more advanced than that, but a lot of people don't want to start their business. They start having money coming in, then they get afraid because they don't know who to call, who to trust. And now you can have the buckets already prepared on a free app called Lance. All right, ladies and gentlemen, get to it. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.